3 months ago, I bought and set up the Airtel 5G router on this channel.
You can see it.
Since then,
The router.
I've used it every single day for work, YouTube streaming, downloads, video calls, and
5G
even
router.
connecting multiple devices. So the question is
Internet.
this router actually worth
See it.
your money in 2026?
We are going to be
Or is it just another device with great marketing? In this video, I will share my honest experience, the good, the bad, the speeds I actually get, the battery
so
performance, if applicable, network reliability, and whether I would still recommend buying it today. So let's get started.
you can see
Before we continue, if you already own the router, tell us in the comments how long you have been using it and what your experience has been. If you are planning to buy one, let us know your questions below and we answer every one of them. So why I bought it? I needed more stable internet connection. Working sometimes so that when you're working from home, uploading YouTube videos, faster downloads, multiple users, and better phone hotspots. 2 months later, here's what I have discovered. So in terms of if you haven't seen my installation video, I will link it above and it should be on the description below. So was in terms of was the setup easy? Well, the setup from the YouTube video, the setup was not it's a bit it's on the technical side, it's not actually straightforward. You have to be careful in setting up. The activation didn't take long, it's a bit straightforward. Any problem, the SIM, when it comes to the SIM issue, the SIM is pre-installed, it comes with pre-installation in the Airtel in the 5G box. The score here, in terms of installation experience, I'll give it a score of 4/5. Then the internet speed, this is the most important section when it comes to the internet speed. The internet speed varies from morning, afternoon, night, peak periods. So can you guess which time gives me the fastest speed? The speed actually varies on location. The 4G aspect of the router is more constant than the 5G. 5G, depending on location, the 5G network might come at a particular time, might not come, but the 5G network is not that stable, but on different location. But wherever the 5G network is, it is excellent. It's excellent. It's very fast for downloads, for surfing the internet, for uploading videos. The 5G network is very fast. The speed can when it comes to upload, it can be as fast as take you as fast as let me just put this very speed. The speed is consistently very okay, it's fast when it comes to upload. Then in real life, we say when it comes to things that care about, when it comes to YouTube streaming videos, whether it's 4,000 megahertz videos, the speed, then the pixel 1180 pixel, that is buffering. Once it's 4G video and you are streaming a video, once it's on 5G, you really get video that are buffering. Whether you are streaming on the IX resolution, once it's 5G, we really have issues with that. Whether you are on Netflix, whether you are on a Zoom meeting or Microsoft Teams, is stable, voice quality is okay, the downloads that you are downloading a 3 gig file. Then if you download a 3 gig file, it takes in less than 30 minutes. It's quite fast. You can get it. Three gig file can get, when once it's on 5G, in about 30 minutes, the download is complete. The signal strength on an elevated level, the signal strength is more stronger when you are on a lower level. It depends on where you actually keep your router. At a higher height, the router is network is stronger. At a higher level, the network is stronger, especially at when you are living upstairs. So for the devices, it can take as much as number of devices can take as much as phones, laptops, smart TV, tablets, another phone. So it can take as much as maximum I've used it in terms of devices. Let me just put it at four, two laptops and two phones. Mostly that. When it comes to data consumption is actually unlimited. Once you subscribe for a month, it takes you the entire month. The Airtel 4G 5G router subscription is actually unlimited. You don't have to start subscribing on a weekly basis. Once you subscribe for a month, it takes you through the entire month. It's actually unlimited data. You don't have to subscribe all the time. It's actually unlimited. So the subscription is unlimited, data consumption is okay. So it doesn't consume that. Since it's unlimited, you don't have to start bothering yourself about how when your data will run out. It's a monthly data and it's unlimited. So the things I like about the Airtel 4G 5G router, the setup is straightforward. The connection is stable when once it's 5G. Get that once it's 5G, the speed is good. It has a good interface, reliable for work once it's 5G. The coverage could be better for the 5G. The 5G is not stable in all the places. Coverage could be better. There are things I don't like about the Airtel. Well, it don't. The things I don't like when it comes to the Airtel is the issue of the unreliability of the 5G network. There are some places it is not stable. There are some places it doesn't come up. There are places where it could be better. There are places where only the 4G will just be constant. You will not get any 5G network at all. So that they can do better. So who should buy it? If who should buy this particular for the Airtel 5G router? I would recommend this particular router if you work from home, you upload videos, you have several devices, you stream movies, and you are a student and for small offices. I would recommend it if your area doesn't have Airtel 5G coverage. I would recommend it. You only need internet occasionally. I would recommend it. Another network consistently performs better where you live. I don't recommend this Airtel 5G network. I will recommend it if you work from home, you upload videos, you have several devices, you stream movies, and you're a student and you work in a small office. So that's it. That's really in terms of my ratings for graphics, internet speed, coverage, value, ease of setup, reliability, and overall, I'll just give it a 4/5 based on my experience of 3 months. So in concluding, yeah, well, after 3 months, will I buy it again? Well, I'll give you an honest, I'll give you an honest answer. Well, then, well, definitely I'll buy it again. If you ask me whether it's worth buying in 2026, certainly the answer is yes. For the unlimited data that it provides, you don't have to start worrying yourself about having to subscribe all the time. It's actually unlimited. That's for free, certainly for free. So if this review helps you make a decision, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the Airtel 5G network, 5G router, ask them in the comments. And if you are new here, consider subscribing on this channel and reviews. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.